Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello kids and parents, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about greetings and introduction plus common expressions. Let's start the adventure. Greetings and introduction. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Clara. My name is Clara. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Paris. I'm from Paris. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 11. I'm 11. Common expressions. Please. Please. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Can I help you? Can I help you? Yes, please. Yes, please. No, thank you. No, thank you. I don't understand. I don't understand. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.